Good day once again, and welcome to another episode of Motology Reviews with me, DJ Rick. Do you want to enhance the sound of your big bike? Well, today, we are featuring you the newest offering of Remus. This is the Remus 8 version 2. As you can see, it has a very elegant and simple design with its matte black finish, faux carbon, and dual tip with its signature over here and on the side. Not to mention, it's lightweight. It can subtract to the total weight of your bike, and it comes in elegance. Wow! And I know that you have seen this online, pictures and videos, but here in Motology, we are gonna let you hear the sound of this beast. So there you have it. You just heard the signature sound of Remus exhaust right here at the Motology Service Center, where you can bring your bike in case you get in trouble. And till next time, see you on the next video. This has been DJ Rick for Motology Reviews. Be safe and ride safe!